Have you ever wanted to take a day off, but something in your mind wouldn't let you? A voice that keeps saying, "You're wasting time, you should be doing something." Like, if you're not working, you don't have value. If you felt that, you're not alone. Many of us feel this way. Whatever we call it comes down to one thing. We believe our worth depends on how much we do. Not on who we are, just on what we produce. Since we were kids, we were told, be useful, always work hard, stay busy. Success became about doing more and more. But no one talked about being. No one told us it's okay to rest and still be enough. Think about it. Why do you feel guilty when you relax? Why do you feel lost when your work ends? Why does success feel good for just a moment, and then stress comes back? Somewhere along the way, we started thinking we were only valuable when we were working. Like we're not people, we're machines. And if we're not useful, we're not lovable. But here's the truth. Your worth is not about your job. It's in your smile, your kindness, your late-night talks with a friend when they need you. It's in the way you just exist, without doing anything. And you know what's beautiful? You can be kind to yourself. Let yourself rest, sleep, do nothing, and still be just as important. So if you didn't do much today, it's okay. If you're in a season of rest or even jobless, you're still you. You are still worthy, still lovable, busy or not. Just remember, you are human, not a robot, so take a deep breath, slow down, and know this. Being is enough.